Guys, today I have a fun video that will hopefully work. Not sure. It's going to be a new series on my channel. It's going to be to make these videos every Friday, and they're going to be videos where I find stuff on Pinterest that claim to be super easy and fun things to do, and I will test them out to see how easy they really are. So today's thing is going to be a cookie in a cup. Let's go to the kitchen. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need to get out is your mug. The next thing you're going to want to do is spray the mug with Pam. Okay. First, add a tablespoon of light brown sugar and 1 tablespoon of melted unsalted butter. Okay. Plop this butter in there. Then I'm going to microwave it. Okay, that's good and melted. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. And be sure to pack it in so you get enough. Okay. Then it says to whisk. Lucky me, I have a really tiny whisk that I can use for this step. Next is to add 1/8 teaspoon of vanilla, and I'm just going to put some in. Okay, that should be enough. Now, gonna whisk that in too. Okay, so the next step is to add a pinch of salt. That was good. And 2 teaspoons of milk. Now you're going to want to add 3 tablespoons of flour. Oh, poor kitty. 1, 2, and 3. Oh yeah, that's looking good. Okay, now the last step is to add chocolate chips, and I'm just gonna add a whole bunch in there because I like lots of chocolate. In a microwavable plate, let's do it. Let this plate off, or you could just leave it in the mug. I'm gonna need a spoon for that. Oh, does that look good? And now you're going to shape this like a cookie. This is going to be a good cookie. Okay, now it says to put the cookie in the oven for 30 seconds, then 20 seconds, then 10 seconds. So I'm going to do that. Here is your finished product, and now I am going to taste it. Tastes like a cookie. It's good. Win! For my rating of the microwavable cookie, I give it a 9 out of 10. The reasoning for that is once it cooled off, it got a little bit hard to chew. But other than that, it tasted good and it was easy to make. So it was easy to make, it tasted good, and all you had to do was follow the directions. You should try this at home. This is a Pinterest win. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to comment and subscribe. We love you. Bye!